screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking in. You already know what to do. What all the shoe tubers say. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. I mean, I know you don't say that, but if you want good content, this is where it's at. Today, we are reviewing the latest Yeezy to drop, the Yeezy 500 TYRIAN. Or TYRIAN.
Have you ever heard the phrase, rich as a Lannister?
Or TYRIAN. Yeezy's getting crazy with these names, y'all. I'm going to go with TYRIAN, I think. In the comment section below, let me know if you know the proper pronunciations for these sneakers. But anyway, we're going to get into the deep review on these sneakers. I picked these up from one of my favorite European sites, Foot District. And it came in this big, huge box because, as you know, the Yeezy 500 highs are a lot bigger, and the 500 box is a lot bigger than your regular Yeezy, as y'all can see here. But I picked these up from Foot District. I decided to go the European route because we already know how Adidas do with that waiting room, and it's annoying. You could spend your whole day in a waiting room just to hear the sneakers sold out. And now Yeezy Supply is doing the same thing. So me personally, I just try to get them a different way. In that comment section below real quick, let me know what's worse. The quick L you get from the sneakers app or the long L you get from the Adidas app. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all prefer. Me personally, I prefer the quick L. Let me know right away that they sold out, and I'll go another route, Foot Locker, Foot Action, whatever, and try to get them. But today we are reviewing these Yeezy 500 TYRIAN. Again, insert in the comment section below the right pronunciation for this. I showed y'all the Yeezy Slate 500s early. Yeah, that was a couple of months ago. You go in the archives, or it should be right there. Click that if you want to see the review on those. I actually got rid of them because, as we'll see later in the video, I'm just not a fan of the way the highs are constructed. The sneakers are not bad. I'm just not a fan of the construction. And we'll get into that later. But before we do that, you already know we do have sneaker notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you're rocking on foot when you caught this video. Me, I'm all grayed out. I'm about to head to a few skate shops, see who's raffling off these Nike Chunky Monkey Chunky Donkeys Nike SB joints. These joints is fire, and they're one of the reasons why you guys haven't heard from me in a minute. I mean, I liked the Laker LeBron joints, super dope. You know, I'm a huge Kobe fan, Laker fan since '96, but I just passed on them because I'm looking for these SB Chunky Monkey Chunky Donkey joints. Also, the Jordan 4s dropped today, the cork purple with the chrome. Yeah, they nice, but they not the Chunky Donkeys. So I passed on a lot of those sneakers just for these. So on foot today, I got on your Jordan 1, not for resale, no L's, no photos. One of my favorite Jordan 1s. One of the reasons why I haven't really been trying to cop any Jordan 1 in that color pattern, because they come out a lot. Gym red, track red, royal red, so many reds. But this is one of the reasons why I haven't been trying to get any of those pairs, because I own these right here. And one of my favorite sneakers, without a doubt. So again, on foot, I got on a Jordan 1, no photo, no L's. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot when you caught this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So as I stated early in the video, the box is a little oversized compared to the regular Yeezy box that we kind of used to seeing. And that's because these are highs. I remember when I first brought the slates early, I thought they was a fake pair. I'm like, this box is too huge, but come to find out, it's just bigger because the sneaker's bigger. So again, it comes in that same Yeezy 500 box as the slates. Same pullout as every Yeezy. Same brownish tan tissue paper. And we're going to start with the right shoe. Again, in that comment section below, do y'all feel like Yeezy need to change the box? I mean, we done had 350, 700, 350 V2, 500, 500 highs, 700 V2s, V3s. I mean, come on, dog. But let's get into the sneaker. You start with your toe box. It has that like brown terrain look to it. It goes from light to dark, light to dark. And that comes all the way around the bottom of the sneaker. Also hits at the top. It even has it in the eyelids of the sneaker. All the way around to the inside of your sneaker. It also has little Yeezy 500 slate looks to it. As you can see, the navy blue is almost everywhere. It looks like plush, like a balloon, but this is soft to the touch. It feels like a sandbag or like a bean bag. If you ever sat on a bean bag, that's the texture, the touch you'll get to these sneakers. And the blue starts at the bottom, mid of the sneaker, and it comes all the way up to the top. Even on your ankle pull tab, you have that plush feel. Accompanying that is a nice black leather. This leather is nice leather. This is quality leather. Looks almost like a motorcycle jacket. Quality leather there. And then your brown, as I told you before, comes all the way up from the bottom. And then right here, it's like a rubber material piece here. I believe it to be black, dark gray, smoke black. But that's there. And if you listen, shh, has like a rubbery material to it. As you know, Yeezy 500s do not come with your boost. They come with your Adiprene material. Get the camera to focus there. As it says Adiprene here, but it's in the same color, black, as the outsole, so you can't really see it there. On your inside of your shoe, you have your Adidas logo. And on the bottom, here's the Adiprene formula or technology, for lack of a better word. And it feels soft. I actually wore my Yeezy 500 slates once. I just didn't like the texture. And speaking of the texture, when I talk about texture, I'm talking about this. This toe box right here, guys. As I showed y'all earlier how it can go from light to dark. It also can look scruffy as if the sneaker's old, and I hate this material on all Yeezy 500s. Not just the highs, but the lows also. That scratchy material there, and the suede or the nubuck, whatever material this is, it starts to rise up, and it makes the sneaker look bad, in my opinion. But that's really my only knock on this Yeezy 500. Accompanied on your on your right side, right shoe, you have these tags here that only Adidas does. So, you know, if your pair doesn't have these on it and they don't look proper, you might want to get like a quality check. Make sure they real. Something new on these that I don't remember on my Yeezy 500s, to be honest, is these shoestrings. As you see how long these shoestrings are. And it's not just, they're so long, it look like it's an off-white dunk situation. As you can see here, the shoestrings are extra large. But these are not the ones that come equipped with the sneakers. On your sneakers, you have sort of like a ribbon bow tie shoestring here. Something that I felt like Pharrell should have did when he was making those NMDs, because he called them trail sneakers, but Yeezy did it. Right here you have like a wiry rubber shoestring technology. You can't tie it. I'm trying to get y'all close. You see it's like a rubbery wire situation there. And I'm figuring you tighten the laces with this little pull tab right here. Straight up. The tongue, it's all black. Mesh material, similar like the blue hits around it, but the blue hits are just way softer than the tongue. Also, that black leather that I showed y'all here, it's also here. It comes literally all around the shoe. Inside, there is no shoe tree. It's not a Jordan 1, but inside reads Yeezy, Ultralight, in gray writing on the black sole. Maybe hard to pick it up. We're going to try anyway. Yeah, so also this weekend we have the Yeezy 700 MVNMs releasing. I'm going to pass on them. Not only because I'm waiting for the chunky dunkies to drop, but I'm going to pass on them because I just picked these up a couple of weeks ago. This video was actually in the archives too. Go check that out when you get a chance. And I didn't get a chance to put these bad boys on yet. I feel like Yeezy's dropping too many black sneakers, even though the black sneakers that always come out is always like the best sneaker of that class. Like Yeezy 350 black to me is still my favorite. Still my favorite 350 of all time. Black. Then you got these that just dropped, as I showed y'all. The zebra joints when you go to the V2 is one of the most consistent. The Yeezy 700 V2s, the triple black, is like one of the best ones. So I feel why Yeezy keep dropping the black ones. I mean, I may buy them just for the review for you guys, but I know I don't want them. I need them chunky dunkies. But giving my overall opinion on this Yeezy 500 slate, I feel like Yeezy needs to make a wild color, and maybe it'll bring some kind of hypeness to this shoe. This shoe is not sought after. I think when I sold my Yeezy slates on GOAT, I think I got like $180, and these retail at $220, I believe. So it wasn't really worth it, but I knew I wasn't going to wear it. I'm not a hoarder. If I don't wear the sneaker, it's not going to stay here just for show. So I feel like if Yeezy makes like a crazy color, like a yellow or orange, sort of like the Fear God Nike joints, then I think some hypeness will come to the shoe. But overall, the quality on the shoe is not to be unmatched, man. The Adiprene makes sure that you feel like you're walking on clouds. The blue has that sandbag feel, plush cush, it bounced right back. So I for sure the shoe is comfortable. I like the new shoestring technology. The shoe is just not for me. In that comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know how you feel about these. Again, on foot today, I got on the Jordan 1, no photos, no L's, not for resales, whole bunch of names for this sneaker. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you caught this video. And without further ado, get rich. Oh, and let's all pray we all get them chunky dunkies.
Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. Know the vibes.